Nature's best gift is during springtime. The colorfulness and fragrance of flowers, lush greenery, birds chirping to welcome spring. What more could one want? Bringing alive the spirit of spring for everlasting moments of bliss in your life. It's Sheth Enterprises, property developers, with its latest venture, Sheth Heights. In today's fast pace of life, one's residential place has to be such that it caters to every small details to make living very comfortable. Living in the comforts of a city, yet away from the hustle and bustle of the city. The Sheth Heights is located near Sandtrombe Road of RC Mark at Chembur. It is conveniently located at about 2 kilometers from Chembur and Kurla railway stations. The proposed Navi Mumbai International Airport is in close proximity of Sheth Heights. Also, the route for monorail is next door. If nature's bounty has abounding during springtime at Sheth Heights too, one can enjoy loads of facilities amidst nature's lush surroundings, surrounded by natural light and nature bounty. The Sheth Heights is an excellent habitat comprising of 2 splendid towers of 16 stories each. It offers 1, 2 and 3 BHK apartments. The Sheth Heights, where you create your own abode of heaven. What is life without recreation? When recreating facilities are at one's doorstep, life is even more blissful. Enjoy long walks around the podium space. Those who love the water can find their share of joy at the swimming pool and also kids pool for small children. There is ample space for poolside party. The little ones can play to their heart's content at the children's play area. At the Sheth Heights, one can enjoy the healthy lifestyle by availing all the gym facilities. The state-of-the-art gymnasium is equipped with steam and jacuzzi to work out and pamper yourselves. Mini theatre also entertains all age groups, and indoor game lovers can play table tennis, chess and carom. The 16-storied tower stands tall and elegant in all its architectural wonder. The earthquake-resistant RCC frame structure has high-tech fire security. Eco-friendly to the core, Sheth Heights has facility for rainwater harvesting. Having a vehicle is a great joy when parking is convenient and easy at the Sheth Heights. There is ample open car parking space as well as spacious ground level parking underneath the podium. The Sheth Heights exudes warmth and radiance at a spacious and decorative entrance. The designer floor lobbies are very attractive at the Sheth Heights. High-speed elevators of reputed brand will traverse all through the 16 floors. A standby generator for all lifts and for common area lighting is provided. Security cameras are located at every entrance lobby. That includes both main gate and entrances. The intercom facility at the security cabin helps you scan your visitor. Centralized garbage chute and filtration unit provides additional amenities. Living in a paradise is what one feels when living at the Sheth Heights. Walk into your place of joy that has 2x2 vitrified tiles in the entire flat, walls with gypsum finish and luster paint all over. Proper waterproofing ensures prevention of water leakage. Individual flats will be pest control at the time of possession. Spacious, airy and well designed, the flats here have concealed copper wiring with adequate electrical points, modular switches and provision for integrating inverter installation is also provided. The kitchen has provision for purified water, granite platform with stainless steel sink. The kitchen looks more attractive with glazed tiles above platform, giving it a designer look. Treat your eyes to scenic beauty through heavy section anodized aluminum sliding windows and also wooden flush doors to add an extra touch of aesthetic to the flat. In one's very own private space, the bathroom, one can enjoy cool or hot showers on designer ceramic flooring, full height dado with provision for hot water geyser in all toilets. Plumbing is concealed with Jaguar fittings and adding a touch of elegance with designer wash basin. Television and telephone points in every flat. Every moment spent in your home is a moment of heavenly bliss. Don't let the cutting cold winters and hot summers bother you anymore. Enjoy the vibration of happiness around the year. Create your own abode of heaven only at Shade Heights.